to show you how you can literally claim your PAWS Airdrop following these steps. Note, PAWS Airdrop has only allowed claiming to centralize the changes only using Bybit and Bybit wallet. Bybit and Bybit only. So you now head over to the PAWS website, PAWS.community. You can use your Phantom browser to do that. After logging in via the Phantom browser, you go to the TG dashboard. While connecting, after you've already connected your Solana wallet, so that PAWS website will verify and sync everything, and your user dashboard will just show up. So let's dive into action. I'm going to show you how to do everything. I'm going to use Bybit. Let's go now. The claiming starts from today, being the 13th of March, and ends on 15th, so you just have 3 days to do that. After that, if you don't claim within these 3 days, you have to claim on chain using gas fees from Phantom wallets. That's it. So let me show you now. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your Bybit app. Open the app. You have to copy your UID and PAWS deposit address. So I'm going to copy my UID. You click on that settings icon and you get your Bybit UID. Click on the UID and you've copied it. So you have to move back to go and get your PAWS deposit address. Click on assets. Wait for the assets to load. After the assets have to load, then you have to click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto. Search on the search bar, search for PAWS, PAWS. You will see PAWS. Click on it. Select all the prompts that apply. Then you see the PAWS deposit address. Copy the deposit address. After you've copied it, you now have to open your Phantom wallet app. After you open it, click on PAWS.community, or you head to the PAWS website just using the weak link. You have to click on that place, the root TG dashboard. That's where you see your PAWS points and the button to claim. You click on Phantom wallet. It has to connect to your wallet so as to sync, to make sure that this wallet is connected to a PAWS account. It will show you, it will pop up a menu. You have to sign it to ensure that really, yes, you are human. Yes, you now click on confirm. Sign message, you click on confirm. Patiently wait, it will open up. You see your TG dashboard. That's where you see the button to claim. So sorry, my phone is just having bad issues. So now here is the PAWS TG dashboard. You just have to scroll down. Yes, you see my PAWS point, 273.75k PAWS. You click on next. Here's my PAWS allocation, 3,793.98 PAWS. You click on claim. Accept terms and conditions and continue. Choose centralize the changes only if you want to use on-chain, which uses gas fees. You click on Bybit. I used Bybit, unless if you want to use Bybit. Now input the Bybit UID you copied from Bybit. Inputted mine from clipboard. After that, input the PAWS deposit address you also got from Bybit. You must also do this if you use Bybit. Then you click on continue. Yes, you've confirmed everything. Continue. Confirm. As you can see, it says done. I've successfully selected Bybit and it has been confirmed that my airdrop allocation will land in my Bybit account. So here's it. That's all. Subscribe. I really appreciate. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. See me on next video.